Good morning. I just woke up. If you can't tell, I just woke up. I probably have sleep in my eye or something, but whatever. I just watched the Stuck With You video by Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber, and I feel like I want to recreate her look and take some pictures for Instagram for it. So I figured I'd film it. And this is not like a tutorial, so like, I'm not going to explain everything, but I'm just going to take you through my process of trying to recreate the look with what I have here at my house. So let's do it. All right, I'm showered and I'm ready to go. Oh my goodness, I don't have my mirror anymore, so I don't even know what I look like. Okay, so I got my Pete Davidson hoodie on. How fitting for the look that I'm trying to go for. I need to find the outfit. All right, so I have this top and then these pants are like a mommy, whatever. What is it called? Like mom jeans. So that'll be my outfit. And now let's work on my makeup and my hair. I don't have eyeliner and I don't have lashes. And I don't know how I'm going to recreate this look without those things. So I have to go to the store. I have to go to the store. There's no way I can create Ariana Grande look, no lashes, no eyeliner. I think I threw my eyeliner away. I've been redoing my room and I think I threw it away. I don't really use eyeliner that much, so I think that's what had to happen. Damn it. I hate to go to the store, but I think I have to.
A few moments later.
All right, so I went to Target. I got what I need to get. I got my lashes, okay, and I got eyeliner so that I can do this Ariana look. Pretty excited. You saw the rest of the stuff I got, so that was like kind of a long process of, not really, it wasn't really a long process of Target. I've been trying not to go out, but this specific weekend, I've been at Target quite a bit because I've been doing my room to make it more livable. So let's start the makeup look. Let me refresh whatever she looks like, and then I'll just like start doing the makeup. I sent me a video on how to do Ariana Grande. I'm letting my lashes dry. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair though. Should I like leave it? Her hair is pretty straight in the video, but I don't know if I really want to like re-straighten my hair. You know what I'm saying, but I feel like it needs to be, something needs to happen. I might just like redo it because it wasn't really that good yesterday anyway, so probably do that. Okay. Straighten my hair. Now I have to look at how her hair is set up. She has like little pieces out, I think, like maybe this piece is out, and then maybe this piece is out. Yeah, something like that. And then the rest is up in a high pony. I think I did it. I think it looks really good. So now I have to get dressed, put my outfit on, and I'm gonna take some pictures. But I think it turned out really good. I watched the video. I did not realize that Ariana Grande had a boyfriend right now. That's lit and whatever. I just kind of like single Ariana, but it's okay. It's okay. Do your thing, girl. But okay, let me do this. I took like hella Snapchats though of this look because I really think I did a good job. I really feel like my liner is hella good. Like I feel like I really did it. I feel like I really did this. Like this video. If you like this video, we're at the end. This is Zeno. If you've ever been to any of my streams, you know that this is Zeno. Ariana had a land in her video, so I thought that was kind of cool. But anyway, like the video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button below. If you made it this far in the video because it's the end, that means you like this video, okay? Share with your friends. Watch it again. Okay, don't be afraid to watch the video again. It's okay to watch it twice. And then subscribe.